Hello guys, hola amigos. As you can see, I already placed back my dynamic turn light indicators in the mirrors. I won't redo every video that's already made in the previous Qashqai, but I will do new videos if something changes. Welcome to this new video. So in order to demount the mirror caps, you should be careful because they can break as they only join up here. So it isn't hard, but just take your time and precautions. So here again, move downwards your mirrors, lift with a flat screwdriver. Help a little bit with the screwdriver. I lift this holder here and then you can pull it back out. But they're covered with a firm plastic part, and you should lift the plastic part upwards to release the cover itself, and then you can push it slightly towards the door to undo the holder, the cover. So for the last remaining clip here that you can access from the inside, just remove this camera cover that is simply held by one big clip that you can see clearly. You undo it, you